Hello guys, how are you doing? It's your boy Dave. If you want to become a profitable YouTuber or TikToker or social media analyst, you want to make money from the internet, come and learn from the greatest social media analyst of our time, Nas. His name is Nas, and he's built several different courses on how to create very nice videos, including different video animations and different roles. This is somebody that is extremely gifted in making videos, and he has built a team and he has created this course. This is the course by him. He says become a mobile content creator in 30 days. As you can see, you can create with phones alone, you can create all this magic that you're seeing on the screen. The course goes for 450 USD for the next 19 days. Otherwise, they will close it and raise it to 1,000. Now, that's not the only course. Let's check up other courses. And of course, they give certificates and certifications. Look at this one, says be a queen, 1 hour course, okay, with California Gray, a very popular TikToker. And this one says be a badass at work, another course. Okay, this one says master NFTs for crypto, another course. And these courses are very affordable. All right, so click the link below to get it. Okay, 249 USD teaches you how to make money off NFTs, how to make millions of NFTs, buying and selling NFTs. All right, so they are all there. As you can see, there are so many courses you could take advantage of, and the time is running out. Just go sign up now or sign up your kids. All right, children of nowadays need to learn these things and become really good at them. Okay, sign up your kids and younger ones, and then make a killing of this. All right, click the link below and get it. Thank you very much. See you.